Beginning the day at Balwadi. In this film, we see children between the ages of 4 and 5 during the routine activities at the beginning of Balwadi Day. While watching the film, please pay special attention to the following. To begin the children's day in an organized fashion, the teacher sings a song until all the children settle down properly. The children slowly join her in the song. Use of calendar, the timetable, children's names and their responsibilities for the day and the classroom rules in the daily routine offers meaningful reading opportunities. Also, sharing news helps develop children's expressive language and confidence. The teacher then shows the name of a free play corner and the 4 children who choose to play in that corner leave. This helps an organized transition from large to small group activities. Beginning the day at Balwadi.
रखो नीचे रखो फिर अपनी गोदी में रखो दोन छोटी उंगली टिप 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 दोन छोटी उंगली टिप 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 ऊपर रखो नीचे रखो फिर अपनी गोदी में रखो तीन छोटी उंगली टिप टिप टिप
The children begin their day at the Balwadi with some routine activities. As the children come from different environments, the daily routine is important for them to settle in the classroom. The instructions given during this time affect their behavior and learning through the day. Once the children know what to expect and what to do in class, they feel much less stress.
Today we have come to play in the Mothagat classroom, okay? So what was the first thing we did today?
Songs.
We sang a prayer, we sang a song, and what are we going to do now?
Play.
Yes, play. What do we do before we go to play?
Calendar.
We read the calendar. So today, Ruchita is going to read the calendar, okay? Will you do it, Ruchita?
She didn't raise her hand.
Go ahead.
Calendar. Month.
A year. What word is that?
Month.
And what month are we in?
March. April.
Date.
21st.
What is the date today?
21st.
21st.
Day.
It's made up of just 2 letters.
Day. Thursday.
Well done, Ruchita. So now, we'll see what all classroom duties we have for today. Okay? Sharing news. Who is going to share their news?
Nishan.
Sharyu. So what label will they have to wear? It's written here. Sharing the news. Sharing the news. They will wear these labels and share the news. Come, Nishant. You can start.
We went to water the plants on our terrace. There we saw a dove. He had some string tangled in its feet. So it pulled it out with its beak and then it flew away and went and sat on another bungalow. And the next day when we went to see what it was doing, it was dead.
Very good. Nishant,
Teacher,
keep it on.
in Tirakwadi, there was a boy who was very sick. The doctor had admitted him at Lifeline Hospital. The doctor told him he should not sit for the exams, but he still did. he sat for the exams and then all the teachers praised him.
Our next job is giving the soap. Who will give the soap?
Sai.
When we go to eat lunch, we wash our hands before that. Sai will wear this label at that time. Okay? The third job is giving the napkins.
Sakshi. Sakshi.
When we go to wash our hands, she will wear this label. Sweeping the class. Who will sweep the class today?
Bhavesh and Swara.
Swara. So at that time, Bhavesh and Swara will wear these labels. Before we go to play, you all know our classroom rules, don't you?
Yes.
We will read those rules once again.
Yes.
Classroom rules. Rule number 1. Speak softly in the classroom. Rule number 2. Help each other. Rule number 3. If you need help, ask for it. Rule number 4. Use the material carefully and always put it back when you've finished playing with it. Will you remember these?
Yes.
So should we go to play now? What is this word? Can anyone tell me?
Play.
But the word written here is art. What's written here?
Art.
You have to look for a word like this, and only 4 of you will go there. Only 4 of you who want to play in the art corner. See if you can find a word like this anywhere.
Yes.
Okay, now only 4 will stand up. Just 4 children.
For the free play time, the teacher showed the name of the free play corner and made small groups of children who wished to play there. This strategy helped children choose thoughtfully and engage with their preferred activity.
On the other side of this cupboard, we have some blocks. There are 4 mats, so 4 children can play there. Will 4 children stand up, please?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 of you can go. The word written here is puzzles.
We have learned the following things from this film. Daily routine helps children to settle down in the Balwadi environment easily. The discussions and instructions at the beginning of the day give a focused direction to children's activities throughout the day. Daily routine offers a good opportunity to children to use the written language in the classroom purposefully. As the children get to make choices about what and how they want to play, the children learn to think independently. And as it is the activity of their choice, they play with concentration. Teachers should make use of various strategies with the children to ensure that there is organized transition from one activity to another.